is from Innovative Weave, y'all. Flat out, period. That's it. That's all. Straight up. Barry was right. Barry was right back. If your wig is right, heaven belongs to you. Because there are very specific steps that you have to take to achieve this style. Brush through it. But honey, these curls are gonna pop. You're gonna be like,
honey, I was so impressed.
Don't let it dry. People don't know this, but that's part of the reason why Adam and Eve and them got in trouble, because Eve was up there trying to put fibers together to make her little curly wig.
You can do it, but that don't mean it's to be done.
Oh gosh, oh okay, never mind, just forget it. And I'm gonna give you all the ignorant details. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a upscale slay. This a upscale slay, y'all. This one you really want to show out. Get on your grown and sexy. Got a few coins to spend. Yeah, I know I ain't gonna lie to you. This for when you really want to get good and ignorant. And I'm gonna give you all the ignorant details right after I show love to my subscriber today. The bomb. Now y'all listen, I'm not gonna be before you long, because this demo in particular is very important, because there are very specific steps that you have to take to achieve this style. So I'm going to get you to the demo, which will have the deets on the hair and everything. I was just going to shoot straight to the demo, but I really wanted to emphasize to watch the demo. Okay, y'all? Watch the demo. Now, this is from Innovative Weave, y'all. And I have reviewed their hair before. What makes them so special is their Thin-Part Wigs.
Honey, I was so impressed.
With these, you do not have to have any leave out. You also can use very little leave out. And when I say very little, I mean strands, cousin. Strands. I ain't lying. You can also use this as a half wig. Throw your headband on. Hands down, these are some of my favorite wigs. Flat out, period. That's it. That's all. Straight up. I decided to use mine as a side part. You can put it in the middle. You can put it wherever you want to, y'all. It's very, very versatile. And the curls are absolutely beautiful, but it does not come like this. You have to do certain things to make it look like this. That was one of the biggest questions that I got the last video.
Okay, sis. So what I gotta do again?
There are very important steps. A, cold washing this hair, put some conditioner in it, run it through. It is so easy. Get you a detangling brush, and while it's still wet, I'm talking sop up wet, y'all. Don't let it dry. Don't you do that. Don't you try to brush through this when it's dry, okay? Don't you do that. When it's real good and sopped up, put your little towel on the ground. That's what I do. Put your little towel down. Oh gosh, oh okay, never mind, just forget it. Cause it's gonna be, and then, cause the hair got to be soft, that's how you're gonna get the best result. Don't half step it. Brush through it, start from the roots, brush through it. You can put you in some curling cream if you want to, some mousse if you want to. You could just brush through it after you co-wash it with the water in there. Boom, get to the roots. Then you let it air dry. Now, can you use the blow dryer? Yeah.
You can do it, but that don't mean it's to be done.
Do this on a day where you have a couple hours to let it air dry. Y'all, these curls are so beautiful. But honey, these curls are gonna pop. You're gonna be like, Barry was right. Barry was right back. I'm gonna start listening to her, because you know she go to Sunday school. She probably got, you know, thing on a spiritual level. She might be knowing about them wigs too, because you know, if your wig is right, heaven belongs to you. And this wig is right. People don't know this, but that's part of the reason why Adam and Eve and them got in trouble, because Eve was trying to find like fibers and stuff to make her a wig, and she wasn't really being attentive to Adam. That's why Adam ate the apple, because he was looking for some excitement anyways, because Eve was over there trying to get her a wig put together, because see, they was going over there to the orphan over there in the garden, and she was trying to put up, you know, some little fibers and stuff that she was finding throughout the garden to put her wig together, and she wasn't being attentive to Adam. So Adam was like, give me that apple. I'm not finna sit up here and keep fooling with her like this. So that's where his excitement came, and then it messed up everything for everybody. But people don't know that. That's what you have to do in order to get this to look like this. And y'all, this is some sexy hair. It really is. This is some beautiful, beautiful. This is a lovely wig. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. You don't have to get this density. Y'all know I like big hair. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. You don't have to get this density. You don't have to get this length. Go to their website. The information will be in the description box, of course. You'll see it in the demo, but you'll have two angles right here to kind of just hold the clips in place so the clips don't slip and slide like traditional U-part wigs do. The top of the wig is made to mimic hair roots. They call it their true roots closure, and that's really the star of the show, y'all. So when you put it right next to your part, it's gonna look like it's coming out of your scalp. It's gonna look like it's supposed to be over there. Okay, sometimes stuff look like it ain't supposed to be over there. Their U-part wigs mimic real roots, so you can show your real part right there, and people can walk up on you like, sis, I didn't even know you was growing your hair out. Or you could be like, oh, I am growing my hair out. Technically. They didn't say they was talking about the wig. I've been growing it out since last year. Yeah. I have been growing my hair out though. So that is the whole spectacular purpose of this particular thin part wig. The cap is super breathable. You can put your fingers through the cap. The air can get to it. It's not like it's blocking the air to your scalp. That's just what it is. It's just what it is. They have straight units. You can also do this with their straight unit because of how their wefts are created. It's just crazy. It's crazy. They out here. So anyways, I'm gonna get you over to the demo. You can see what I did start to finish. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions, but check out the information in the description box, y'all. That's gonna be how you get over to them. Play with your options, lengths, densities, curl patterns, see what they're working with. Check out the demo, okay? All right, y'all. Peace, love, light. Bye-bye.
To the beach, wait, I met this girl when I was 12 years old. Gave her everything, just shot of the world. Couldn't get a grip every time I tried to hold on, I slipped deep in this feeling that gravity pulls me down. I know I'm tripping, I'm falling in love with her drum breaks. She keep me safe from the gunplay when I'm hungry. She feed my soul when I'm lonely. She keep me company, it's funny. I used to wanna grow older, travel with sight in these rhymes, so they realize that she got me out of my mind. I'm trying to kick these nerves to grab hold to the microphone. Got him nodding along. Maybe she'll save the world for me. Maybe she'll right my wrongs if I'm coming on too strong. Oh well, only way to tell is by saying this how I feel, and that's real. You do something special for me. You got what I want. just alright. I know I'm lying to myself, pardon my wishful thinking. Still fly from head to trinkets, afraid of blinking. Can't even miss a second of the blessings. I'm living messy, like every minute is a gift, it's a pleasure. Let's get together, let's spin us a smooth forever. Wait, pick up your mood, I know I lack the direction. Skipped on class and a lecture, busy trying to get it together. Something clever, my notes are tethered to the reckless behaviors with good intentions. Smolder incense, good riddance to negative energy. Let peace, love, and serenity spill for me. None as ill as me, truth be told, barely real as me. How I let feelings loose on loose leaf. Murder the goose beat, shout to Mills on the cool keys. Ooh, she's feel like a cool breeze. Near the ocean tide, from the cove to the globe wide, with an open eye and a smile, feel like everything might turn out to be fine.